For high polygon objects, the support pillar layout process may become resource intensive. If pressing the Prepare Pillar Layout or Multi-Pillars button takes a long time to apply changes, you can optimize your object by reducing the polygon count based on your system's capabilities. In this example, an object with approximately 1.02 million polygons will be reduced to 100,000 polygons. Input 100,000 in the target polygon count field. Select the object and press the Decimate button. For high polygon objects, the decimation process may take some time depending on your system's performance. Inspect the object to ensure that there are no major changes to its outline, then press the Apply button. Applying the decimation may also take some time depending on your setup. A backup object with _rig appended to its name will be created. Make the backup object visible to compare the appearance before and after optimization for clarity. Select the decimated object and press the Prepare Pillar Layout button to set it as the target object. The layout process is the same as described in the basic tutorial. For this example, detailed adjustments are omitted. The auto-placed pillars are bridged directly, and the Fix Pillar Layout button is pressed to finalize the layout. Once bridging is complete, swap the decimated object with the original backup object. To account for the possibility of needing to reattach pillars to the decimated object, the copy placement feature is used to duplicate the object for swapping. The fixed object is then selected, and the Start Copy Placement button is pressed. In this case, 2 duplicates are created along the x-axis. Set number of x copies to 2. Then press the Confirm Copy Placement button. The object with the pillar layout is now duplicated. Set the intended swap object as the target by pressing the Prepare Pillar Layout button. First, make the rig object visible and select it. Next, select the target object. If their positions differ, press the Align Position button. Verify that the objects are perfectly aligned. Then press the Swap button to complete the swap. At this point, the original decimated object will be discarded. If everything looks correct, press the Fix Pillar Placement button. Then use the Export as STL button to save the file to your desired location. This concludes the process for high polygon objects. The following section introduces an advanced procedure for re-editing the layout. If you need to adjust the pillar layout at this stage, select the decimated object saved during the copy placement process, and set it as the target object using the Prepare Pillar Layout button. After editing is complete, press the Fix Pillar Layout button to prepare for alignment. First, select the swapped _rig object, check Include Pause Empty in Pillar Selection, and press the Pillar Selection button to select the pillars. Delete them with the Delete key. Then press the Bridge Selection button, and delete those elements as well. Ensure all related support structures have been removed. Then select the decimated object and back it up again using the copy placement process. Next, set the new swap object as the target with the Prepare Pillar Layout button. Select the _rig object followed by the target object, and press Align Position and Swap in that order. Finally, press Fix Pillar Layout to complete the swap. Since the object is offset from the scene center in this example, press the Move to XY Origin button, then use the Export as STL button to save your file. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.